loves, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be tackling my living room. So without further ado, let's get to cleaning. Here, I'm just going to use the Method wood cleaner to clean my entertainment system.
Nobody's singing my song. I'm safe as long as you're with me. At least you're here in my mind. Without you, I would be nothing. That's why I keep you around. The thought of you is the reason why I hold my head up. The thought of you is the light in my life. The thought of you is the only thing that makes me better. The thought of you is what keeps me alive. With you, I feel like a fighter. Nothing can make me back down. With you, I fly so much higher. Yeah.
And now I'm going to use the Spray Way glass cleaner.
You see me from falling, 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 falling. You're taking me up and up and up and away. You're my darling, 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 darling. You're making my world of darkness turn into day. The thought of you is the reason why I hold my head up. The thought of you is the light in my life. The thought of you is the only thing that makes me better. The thought of you is what keeps me
For those of you that are new, I'd like to welcome you and I hope you'll join my family. And of course, to all my returning subscribers and supporters, thank you so much.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I
most part, my house does not get that dirty because I only have one child left here living with me, and she will actually be 25 years old this Sunday. So Monique, if you're watching, happy birthday. If you're new, you're probably wondering, you have no kids at home, but there's baby stuff. Yes, that is baby stuff. I do have a 4-month-old grandson who I watch 5 days a week.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. Here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong.
I have made a promise to myself that I am going to be uploading more often. It's just sometimes difficult because I do have a full-time job. I go in at 4 in the morning and I come out at 1 in the afternoon and then watch my grandson from 2 to about 6. But this is something I really have passion for, and I'm willing to put the extra work in, so you will be seeing more videos.
You got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl.
Here I'm just using a Lysol wipe to wipe down these remote controls, because we all know that remote controls go through a lot of hands.
Nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else.
And here I'm just using the Caldrea room spray in the scent Pear Blossom.
Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else.
Now I'm just here sanitizing little man's toys.
Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got.
Hope you're all having a good day out there.
I care for myself. Ooh, don't rely on somebody else. Oh, so don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. I'm just riding along. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl.
Didn't know the love was war.
And here I'm just sweeping up this part. I will not be vacuuming that rug at this point in today's video because I did have my grandson asleep. That's how I was able to record all this. So that's the only thing I won't be doing today.
I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor. stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh, without you. Without you. Without you. Without you.
And here I'm just using my Shark steam vacuum, which I absolutely love. I've had this almost a year and have had no problems. I simply just put water and then just spray Lysol on the floor.
Ravage through my brain, oh, loosen the chain. It goes non-stop. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental.
I'm coming up on almost 300 subscribers, so I'll definitely be doing another giveaway.
Without you. 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 Without you.
I'm absolutely loving all the amber glassware this year.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way.
And of course, my little guy Louie, always right next to me.
And you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the
And there you have it. This is the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. God bless. And I'll see you on my next video.
I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So